Blossom. The cherry trees blossom beautifully in spring. Bloom. Tulips bloom in bright colors during April. Sprout. Tiny green leaves sprout from the soil. Seed. She planted a sunflower seed in the garden. Breeze. A warm breeze makes the flowers sway. Sunshine. The sunshine feels warm after a long winter. Rainfall. The spring rainfall helps the plants grow. Rainbow. After the rain, a rainbow appeared in the sky. Dew. Morning dew covers the grass like tiny diamonds. Puddle. Kids love to jump in puddles after it rains. Butterfly. A colorful butterfly landed on the flower. Caterpillar. The caterpillar will soon become a butterfly. Ladybug. A tiny red ladybug crawled on my hand. Nest. Birds build nests in trees to lay their eggs. Eggs. The mother bird keeps her eggs warm. Chick. A fluffy chick hatched from its egg. Lamb. The lambs jump happily in the fields. Duckling. The yellow ducklings follow their mother. Garden. My grandmother plants flowers in her garden. Tulip. Tulips bloom in many colors during spring. Daffodil. Daffodils are one of the first flowers of spring. Cherry blossom. The cherry blossoms look beautiful in the park. Grass. The grass turns bright green in spring. Picnic. We had a lovely picnic in the park. Spring cleaning. Many people do spring cleaning at home. Allergy. Some people have allergies to pollen in spring. Pollen. Bees collect pollen from flowers. Honeybee. The honeybee buzzes from flower to flower. Hatch. The baby birds hatch in their nests. Sunrise. The spring sunrise is earlier than in winter. Umbrella. I need my umbrella because it's raining. Raincoat. He wore a raincoat to stay dry. Mushroom. After the rain, mushrooms grow in the forest. Field. The field is covered with wildflowers. Brook. A small brook flows through the meadow. Meadow. The meadow is full of blooming flowers. Frog. Frogs croak near the pond in spring. Tadpole. Tadpoles grow into frogs in warm weather. Earthworm. Earthworms help keep the soil healthy. Kite. The children fly kites on a windy spring day. Spring equinox. The spring equinox marks the start of the season. Worm. Worms come out after the rain. Thaw. The ice and snow thaw as spring arrives. Bud. Tiny buds appear on tree branches. Fence. The white fence looks pretty with flowers around it. Nestling. The nestlings wait for their mother to bring food. Orchard. The orchard is full of fruit trees in bloom. Sun hat. She wears a sun hat to protect herself from the sun. Wisteria. Wisteria vines hang beautifully in the garden. Buttercup. The field is full of yellow buttercups.